Welcome back to the channel. Today you're going to see me build a homemade snowmobile drag. Something that you tow behind your snowmobile, grooms the trails, so you can groom your own personal trails. Alright, so here's our materials. We're using pressure treated. You don't need to use pressure treated. Obviously it's going to last longer. It's going to be sitting outside. We have coated screws we're going to use. Some rope, which I would probably upgrade to a different rope. That's the only rope I had hanging around, so we're going to utilize it. And then this is the an old bed frame rail. I cut it, drilled some holes. I got 4 of them drilled. They're a little bit more than a foot apart. But that's our materials. That's all we're going to need. Let's assemble this thing. I'm going to pre-drill the rest of these boards, and then I'll screw it together. Yeah, make sure it's a snowstorm when you're building this too. Otherwise you won't get the same results. No, I'm only kidding. I was just bored and I figured I'd use my time. And I can test it out. These screws and everything, it's all stuff we had. Check out the trail. I mean, there's some clumps here and there, but perfectly flat. It levels all the humps and bumps, makes it smooth. We don't have too much snow right now, but it's still probably just about the amount of snow we need to use the groomer. I had my hat on backwards. Well, there it is. What do you guys think? Pretty simple, easy process. I didn't want to bore you with the you know, the whole building process. I went pretty quick with that, but I mean, if you can use a saw and a screwdriver, you can build this thing. Just a basic design, and it helps keep your trails groomed, flat, and smooth. Just a couple hours, a few dollars, and you get a groomer. All right, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys learned something. Hit that subscribe button if you like the channel, and we'll see you soon.